Question 14. Using the sine rule, find an expression for the length of AB. The sine rule is based on equating side angle pairs. Now in this triangle, the first side angle pair where the side is known and its opposing angle is known is side AC, which has length 15, and its opposing angle, angle ABC, which has angle size of 40 degrees. Now the question is asking us to find an expression for the length of AB. Now its opposing angle, which is known, is angle ACB, which is 80 degrees. So using the sine rule, we can form this equation. Side AB over sine of 80 degrees, so this is one side angle pair, and that's equal to 15 over sine 40 degrees. In other words, this side here, which I've marked with a question mark, over sine 80 degrees is equal to 15 over sine 40 degrees. Now we need to isolate AB, in other words, make it the subject of this equation. And we do that by taking the sine 80 here in the denominator, and when we move it over to the other side, it forms part of the numerator. In other words, we write it after the 15. So the 15 is multiplying the sine 80 degrees. So side AB is equal to 15 times sine 80 degrees over sine 40 degrees. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.